The rarest car we've had here. This is one of the original 19 built DB4 GT Zagato. I think it's a 61 car or 1960, but it's gone back to original spec. It's had a lot of bodywork repairs and repainted and restored, and we've retrimmed it using Connolly Valmol leather, as close to original carpet as possible, but never going to get the original, the OG stuff, but this is really quite smart. And I borrowed a book as well, a book that Stephen Archer had written, massive book. Probably show you that in a minute, but used that book as reference to get key elements of how this car left the factory, because it had been retrimmed previously. We thought some bits weren't right, but we've done our best to get it as close to original as possible. But saying that, all of the 19 I think are all different as well, but we've done our best. And it's absolutely stunning. It's the rarest and the prettiest car we've ever had here.
That's the original buckle and everything. Just put this new strap on. I've got to do this one next, which goes up into there. Just holds spare wheel in place.